This is an overview of the physical plant that I care for. Please be wise about any comments, but I do appreciate comments. We are entering from the main roll-up door, and the first item is the bank of medical air compressors on the right, with our largest chiller in the background. I took over this plant 2 years ago after the previous operator retired. You are looking at a McQuay 2,000-ton water chiller used in our air conditioning system. It has 2 compressors for load control, uses R134A as the refrigerant, and is approximately age 2010. And that is the second compressor, or actually it's the first compressor of 2. Some pipe fittings we keep around, and then in the back you see our number 2 steam boiler, a Cleaver-Brooks CB300 from about 1974. It is a 4-pass Scotch Marine boiler, and you're looking at some of the fuel oil controls hanging out in front of the burner, plus the fuel oil burner in its cradle. And here we can see the top of where the burner combustion fan is, as well as the air intake, and then the economizer, which has been shut down. We hope to replace that someday. We run 60 psi steam and are hoping to get it added to our building automation system. That in the background is our domestic water system, and this is the gas train for number 2. And then you can see here the number 1 boiler and the water column, which houses the McDonnell-Miller low water cutoff, and the pressure controls for the boiler. And then we'll go to the front of the boiler, where number 1 and number 2 are identical boilers. The burner housing, the flame safety sensor is there. Here is a look at the control panel, and we'll see if we can open it and take a good look at it. And on the inside you see a fairly messy panel that I haven't been able to clean up yet, but a good view of the FireEye combustion controller and combustion safety system that we use to light the boilers and maintain a safe operating boiler. Now we'll view over this way. You can see in the back some of the electrical equipment that runs the plant, as well as the water softener for the boilers, and then the deaerator and feed water preheater, and the pumps that feed the water into the boiler sit below that. There's its water column that keeps level in the deaerator. We retrieve our condensate back from the building, and then we'll turn around here and look at the pump bay, which the pumps that you'll see farthest away are our primary chill water pumps, and then the pumps closest to us are the secondaries. Behind these welding screens is our shop area, where we have both stick, MIG, and TIG welders for repair and fabrication of parts as needed. And so I'm going to thank you for coming along. Leave any comments you like, and if you like some of these, I'll record some more. I'm thinking of maybe recording a one to highlight operating the boilers under fuel oil. And again, here at the end, we'll go and look at our Airco steam to hot water heat exchangers that make hot water for the facility, and then some more secondary pumps in the back with their drives sitting in the front. And we'll zoom around here. There are the starter banks that operate a lot of our equipment, the electrical gear, and then the control air compressor that runs both tool air and control air for pneumatic controls in the building, as well as the air conditioner for the shop. So thank you, and thanks for watching.